ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪುನರ್ವಿ ಎಜು ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಉಪಯೋಗಕರ ಆಗಿರೋ ವಿಷಯಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ವೆಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ಈಚ್ ಮೇನ್. ಸೊ ಈಚ್ ಮೇನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇನ್, ಸೊ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 5 marks ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಚೂಸ್ ದಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್. So we'll get for question tag, preposition, conjunction and relationship between the two words. So that is very easy to score if we revise, I think, previous 4 to 5 years question papers. So first main 5 marks barutte. Next main if you go, we'll get do as directed. That is containing 14 marks. I think it will be pertain to your textbook only. So illi enen mains barutte andre use, so, that. So use and, but. So whatever it will be in your textbook, that is only will be there in your question paper. So almost 14 marks will be there. Then if we go to next main, we will get the underlined word for the synonyms. So I think you know it very well. Synonyms andre ade meaning iro innondu word samanarthaka pada antivi. So antonyms andre it is a opposite word. So they'll be underlined the word, just you have to write the pertain to that question, pertain to that word we have to answer for it. Then next main if we go, they'll give the 2 errors in the pattern of the paper. When in a paragraph they'll give 2 errors. The clues also will be given. So just you have to change the underlined word and you have to complete the paragraph. I think easily you can score it for 3 marks. Next main, it is for jumble words. I think in small age, even you ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಓದಿರ್ತೀರಾ. So jumble words 4-5 words slash ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. So you have to make it a meaningful sentence. That also you can score easily for 2 marks. So next main if you go, question answers. I think question answers which are compulsory I'll say. So grandma climbs a tree, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 4 marks compulsory ಬರುತ್ತೆ. about grandma ಅವ್ರು ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ಸಾಕು. I think almost you'll get 10 to 12 points. Then discovery also compulsory question will come for 4 marks. Then Ambedkar lesson about the constitution ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. So that also will as compulsory. I think 4 to 5 years continuously they are giving in a question paper. So you have to go through that also. So these are the questions contained in your textbook. Then if you come to the complete the following with the author name. I think when you complete the poem, almost 3 poems are there. So Grandma Climbs a Tree, Ballad the Tempest and the Blind Boy. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ 3 ಪೊಯಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 6 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ 2 poems ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಟಫ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಲಾಡ್ ದಿ ಟೆಂಪಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ 7 to 8 paragraphs ಇದೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಮಿಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ನೀವು ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ಸ್ ಎ ಟ್ರೀ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ ಬಾಯ್ 2 ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ ರೀಡ್ ದಿ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್. So read the following extract. I think if you know the story, everyone can answer. So it will be easier to you. But read the following extract. Compulsory you should know the author names. Because if you don't know answer also, if you write the author names, I think almost they'll give 1 mark to that. So everyone read the lesson and the prose and the poem with the author names. So it will be very useful to you for the writing the exam. So next main if you go, so paragraph writing, essay writing and letter writing, all the 3 contains almost 5 marks, almost 15 marks you can gain in that. So these are the pattern of the question paper. So easily everyone can score. English medium ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್. ಈ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನಾವು 2-3 ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ points to you to score in your exam. Ella students ge all the best. You can score well in the exam. If you follow this YouTube channel also, I need you to subscribe even this channel also. Thank you children.